Plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today's plumbing adventure, we have a clogged sewer. We'll see when we get there. Evidently, it's pretty persistent. It's our first time tackling this customer. We'll get the shots. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and follow this journey as I train my two sons in plumbing trade. Going to be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. We'll see you there. Can you see that, Chucky, if I did it to you?
Yeah.
So now we're going towards the street. It tells you how long we're in, too.
Should have cleaned the lens before I went in.
We'll go as far as we can, Chuck, then we'll flush it, maybe.
I'm going to pull it out.
That looks familiar. I think I left that there this morning.
Let me get you right.
Okay.
How old are you, Chuck?
23.
He's a good guy, man, I'm telling you.
He's alright. Nah, he's good.
I mean, working with him,
Yeah.
a little tough.
Nah, he's good compared to some people, you know. I know other people that work for their dad and stuff, you know.
Yeah. No, he's so cool, man. I've known him for a long time. And proud to be his friend.
That's
Really
good to hear.
What's that?
He's talking a lot of crap.
No, I was just telling him how it's good to have known you all these years.
Oh,
You're
dude,
a
we've
good
been
guy.
friends for how many years now,
You're a
dude?
good guy.
There he is. Legend.
You know what we found out? When it's cold, the lens freezes up.
From the hot water or the toilet.
Yeah.
Fogs up.
You gotta get an anti-fogger.
Yeah.
How much is
Someone's running water.
Alright. Clean as you go.
that? Where you living at now?
Longport. Thinking about that, Chuck? You hear him?
I just hear the ching ching ching. The price of this shit going up like exponentially.
Tell him, Chuck, it was by accident.
Get out of here. We're at Longport.
Long story. Not for today.
Uh-oh.
No, it's all good. Oh, there's roots right there. Go ahead. There's one section. Where's that?
13 feet.
So you're probably right in these trees right here because it counts from the cable out, so that's probably 5 feet. Oh, yeah.
What's that?
Roots. More roots.
Ooh.
Go ahead.
So it needs it?
Yeah, keep going. Let's hope that's it. More roots. No, oh no, it's not good. I'm sorry. I'm looking down line, looking downstream.
It's just my daughter's too. That might hurt too.
Roots.
A little bit, nothing.
Substantial.
So it looks like it's all cast iron, right?
Yeah. I don't think we're at that tree yet.
Nah. Matter of fact, we'll find the other clean out. You'll see the T upside down, alright?
It's so hard when you get something on half the camera.
I tell you what, go back and forth to get it wet. There you go. Up,
Made it worse.
up, good. Keep going. There you go.
Nice.
Yeah. You go like this,
Yeah.
it cleans it. It's like you're guy at the corner washing windshield. Oh, we'll see that in Atlantic City next. Hey, can I wash your windshield? Keep going, dog. That's 50 feet. Keep going.
You gotta be close to the tree now.
Yeah. We're 40 feet. Figure 10 foot right out of the camera down. 45. I want to see when we drop into the street. Is that PVC right there or no? Yeah, right there. Oh, there's a clean out right there. See a T upside down?
Yeah.
Stay right there. Let's measure it off.
So it's gotta be under that tree.
Under that bush, you mean?
Under that bush. I'm happy. You just got a little bit going right here.
Yeah. Try to go to the street just to make sure.
Uh-huh.
Go to the street while I'm here.
Pardon me?
finish off the long here.
It's just that one spot. That was a clean out. There it is.
Dump street.
We're 60 feet out. Dumps in the street. Okay, back her up. Once I got some wipes.
You done? All right. You were driving me crazy on the way here. Stop.
I don't know why you pulled in there. I pulled over so you could catch me.
I thought you passed it.
Nah,
So
I pulled over because you got hit by a light. I do. You know where we're going.
And then I got cars behind me, and you just stopped right there.
I had to get directions, you know?
Yeah. Your world, we're just living in it.
Hey, you know, thanks, John.
No problem.
Thank you.
My hands are so cold. So that's clean. Bang.
So we'll just go right to that spot there.
And destroy it with a 305?
And with the camera, too, okay?
Oh, okay.
We'll do the whole thing. Alright. I don't know, Chuck. I think I buy another one of these machines.
Them?
What do you think?
I wouldn't yet,
No, I'm not now.
but I think so. I like them.
We're going to do this.
I'm gonna have to two-man operate it.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. I'll do it from over here.
And I'll
We'll go over the bush with it, alright?
and I'll pedal, and you or whatever. I feed you or whatever.
Yeah.
That we did in the stall.
Yeah. Look, I'm doing this now, look. Each one gets two. You know what I mean? Look, watch this. Let's push that in, Charlie.
Back.
Yep. Here's how you clean the camera. Running right into poopy water. Alright, Bill. Alright, baby. Let's get this little pile right here. Coming to you, Chuck. Right there. Right there. Alright. Yeah. Give some cable.
More?
Yeah. That's it. Oh, good. Okay, you're good. Let's go. Coming to you, Chop.
Back.
Right there. Number one rule, Don't hit the camera. Coming to you, Chuck.
More?
No, that's good right there. Back at 80, right? Remember Bill, back at 80? That's there. That's our bad section. Alright, so we're too far now. Let's come back. Let me make sure. This is this. 20 feet, right? Yeah. Alright. So that's the section there. You see how that stuff's going now, Bill?
Yeah.
What do you want for $1,500? You know, this is magic, isn't it?
You take Bitcoin?
Yeah. In my hand. Bitcoin, I like it. Alright.
Yeah, all my money's tied up in Bitcoin.
So's mine. Alright, Chuck, you're coming back to
Yeah.
you. Yeah.
I got a friend of mine who's invested in Bitcoin. He made thousands.
I
Right?
know a lot of people that did. I know a lot of people that lost money on it too, though.
Yeah, you gotta know what you're doing with that shit.
Did he kill it?
He,
More?
Yeah. Oh, right there. Hold on. Hold on a second, Chuck. Okay, I'm listening.
he must have made like $750,000.
Uh-huh.
You know, with this Bitcoin.
Right.
But, you know, he's a gambler.
Right.
So,
Yeah, it's more of a gamble than an investment.
so yeah, so I don't know. I have no idea what it is or how you even...
It's just like an unregulated currency, so it can do whatever at any time. You want me to answer that?
Yeah, tell him I got to call him back
Who
in
is
30
it?
minutes. It's Mike. Let's flush into us, Bill.
Yeah?
Yeah, for sure. See what's going on, Chuck.
Hey, Mike. Oh, what's the name?
Yeah.
CB.
That's part of the job. You know, that just goes with the turf. You
I
know?
know, dude. Just fucking managing personalities. I got good guys, dude. They all got their own fucking quirks. Of us all. But it ain't fucking easy, dude.
I work with guys who are just really good at it, and I work with guys that suck at it.
Yep. And me, I'm not like I have a nice personality. You know what I mean? Where I think holds back too. There's a fine line, you know.
Yeah, some people sense that as a weakness.
Yeah. just a smidge.
Who is it? Answer?
No, pull the cable in a little bit. Hold on.
How's it looking?
It's looking good. I'm trying to knock this piece down right here. Right there, Bill. I went to call Wally in here.
Does it help that it's right here, or does it
Yeah.
matter?
It's a flat fee.
Hey, you know any good roofers, siders?
Yeah, I do. I use Boardwalk.
Who?
Boardwalk roofing.
Boardwalk roofing?
Yeah.
And siding?
Yep.
They expensive?
Of course. I don't know their numbers. I know their quality's responsible, you know.
They have coupons?
Yeah, we hand them out together. You can just never find them. We gave out hundreds of them. They're all gone.
But he is expensive?
I don't know. I don't even know his prices. He's a friend of mine.
Oh. But you know he's good.
Yeah, yeah. All right, Bill, I'm going to go with that. All right?
Yeah.
Charles,
Aaron?
wrap it up. Hold on, let me wait.
I told you I was so close from selling Morris Avenue.
The sewer job, the camera's gold. There's no doubt that it's the shots. You cannot deny the camera. So with that, what do we got? You know I'm here alone, so what's the deal? CB's on his way. Already left the job, but what do we got, CB? Can you hear me, CB? And there goes another satisfied customer! See you at the next one, folks.